Let's start with the type of collisions. First, there is elastic collision. In the elastic collision, the kinetic energy is conserved. Second, the inelastic collision. In the inelastic collision, the kinetic energy is not conserved. In the elastic collision, if the deformation does not occur, heat is not generated and there is no loss in the kinetic energy. And M1v1 plus M2v2 equals M1v1 plus M2v2. In the inelastic collision, the collision is meant that a deformation takes place, heat is generated or the bodies get contacted due to the collision process. The momentum after and before collision remains as it without change. And M1v1 plus M2v equals M1 plus M2 all by V. Pause the video and try to solve. This is an inelastic collision question and here is the answer. Here is another medium level question.